Hello and welcome to another video about my soft air guns. I'm going to compare these two, which I have done a video about before. This is the newest M4, fully automatically, and this 6-hour P230. This is driven by batteries, and this is not, so you have to manually reload after each shot. And just gonna test shoot against this target and see how it goes, see how well you can aim. I know for a fact that this M4 is a little bit better due to the speed of the bullet, so you can be more precise, and also of course if you want to improve your aiming skills a little more, you can also replace this original aiming to something more the laser pointing or something that you can adjust and be a little more precise when you do the shooting. And maybe in the future I will get that. Let's see if I can get this in first. It's not. There we go, and let's see, do some test shooting comparing these two guns. I'm just gonna see here, and we're gonna move the camera. Let's see here. There we have the target. Let's see if we can put the camera. There we go. And first up is the M4 with the semi mode. Here it goes. Yeah, that was 2 shots before hitting the target, and I think it was between 6 and 7. And now I have to first load the magazine up with some bullets. So let's see, I'm just gonna load it like this, put the bullets in here. Just give me a second. There we go, I have some bullets in there now. Let's see. And then we're gonna load it like this. And now we're ready. Let's see how it goes. I haven't still got the target yet. There we go. 3 bullets. And let's see, the M4 was here with 2 shots, and the first with the P230 was there, and the other one was here, and the third shot was here, an 8. That's quite good. So that's a little quick comparison, and I did shoot from the sofa, which is there, so the distance is not that far. But that was only a little comparison to these two guns, and to show you a little quick comparison. And I prefer the M4, of course, because I can load 300 bullets in here and only 17, or I think it's 20 in this one. And this is much more fun to play with, so I prefer this. it's much more fun to shoot with. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Just a little comparison to these two guns, a little shooting. So the winner is this gun, and yeah, that's it. Take care, bye bye.